Sagarika Mohanty. Welcome to Business Studies classes. Today we discuss our new topic, that is business objective. Let's discuss this objective. So first, what is objective? Objective is related to your purpose of doing your business activities. Why we doing business? This is related to your objective of the business. And this objective may be your benefits given to the society or economy or your human being also. Let's discuss the business objective. The business objective is basically categorized into three major categories, that is economic objective, social objective and human objective. Let's discuss this objective one by one. First we discuss economic objective. Economic objective means it is related to your economic activities, and your economic activities are profit earning, survival of the business, growth of the business, creation of customers, innovations, optimum utilization of resources. First we discuss profit earning. Every business aims to earn maximum profit. Without profit, a business cannot be survived for the longer period. And profit also helpful for expansion activities and diversification activities also. Next is your survival of the business. Survival of the business is basically related to your running of the business for the longer period. For this purpose, business apply some strategy to run their business, and for survival is possible if your revenue cover your all the expenses and losses. Next is growth of the business. Growth of the business basically possible if your profit, if you earn maximum profit of your business is run for the longer period. And growth may be possible through increase your sales volume, increase your market shares, or increase your customer base, etc. Or you can be say that growth is possible through your doing expansion and diversification activities. Next point is creation of customers. As we know that in business, customers are the king of the business. So for this purpose, you play some marketing activities through which you can capture the more customers, or through which you can capture the whole the market, and after you increase the customer base, you can increase your sales volume. If your sales volume increases, that means you increase your profit also. Next is your innovations. Innovations is basically related to your thinking, innovative ideas or creative ideas. So every businessman have, or every businesswoman have to think some new or some unique idea which can you compete your competitors. Next is your optimum utilization of resources. As we know that our resources is limited, or we can say that there is a scarce resources in our society. For this purpose, every businesswoman or businessman should optimum utilize their resources. And we know that resources, that is your economic resources or natural resources and human resources. Such resources is also, we can say that, related to your 5M. And what are these? They are, first is money, next is your method, next is your manpower, next is your machine, and last is your material. So these are the basic resources which our business are basically used. So these are the basically your economic objective of your business. Now we discuss our next objective, that is social objective. And social objective is basically related to your all the benefits given by the business to the societies. And the business is use the scarce resources of the society. For this purpose, the society expect that in something in return, the business should provide some welfare activities to the society. That means it is related to your welfare service of your society. So social objective is related to your supply of quality product, avoidance of unfair trade practices, generation of employment opportunities, protection of environment, community service, welfare of employees, etc. Let's discuss these one by one. First we discuss supply of quality product. Supply of quality product ensure that regular supply, or we can say that the business should ensure the continuous supply of their product at a right time, at a right place, and at a right price. The business should not be follow some unfair trade practices like your black marketing or adulteration, or provide some inferior quality goods, because the customers nowadays are educated and they are more quality conscious. So the business should focus on your supply of quality product at a reasonable price. Next is our avoidance of unfair trade practices. Unfair trade practices is basically related to your black marketing, or may be related to your hoarding, or may be related to your adulteration, or we can say that food adulteration. This is related to your unfair trade practices. So the business should avoid these practices and they provide some quality goods to the customers. Next is generation of employment opportunities. As we know that the unemployment is the biggest problem of our country. For this purpose, business play an important role in this category. How? Through this, business can generate some employment opportunities to the employee. And through this, employees can self-employed and their standard of living also increases. And business generate the employment opportunities without any discrimination as to your caste, religion, sex, race, creed, etc. Next is your protection of environment. It is another objective given by the business, that it is related to your save of your environment. As the business use the resources and stay in the environment, it is the duty and right of every business that they protect the environment. And for this purpose, he arrange some activities like disposal of effluents, smoke, waste, etc. and take necessary steps to protect the environment. And next is community services. Community services is related to your some social service, that is related to your setting of schools or charity, or donating money for the social activities or religious activities, etc. Our last objective is welfare of employees. Welfare of employees is related to the basic objective or basic benefits given to the employees of the company or employees of the business. Our last objective is human objective. Human objective is basically related to the benefit given by the business to their workers and their employees. These are some objectives related to your human objective of the business. Let's discuss this objective. First is the business provide healthy and safe working condition to the workers. And the next is it pay fair wages and competitive salaries and perks to the employees and workers. And next is it also provide opportunities for the personal growth and development of the employees. It also provide reasonable security of the service to the employees. It provides incentive in order to motivate the workers. Such incentive may be your monetary incentive or maybe your non-monetary incentive. And last, it also encourages the employees to take the initiative and participation in the management. So these are the basically benefit given by the employees to the business. And in this class we discuss all the three objective of the business, that is your economic objective, social objective and human objective. Thank you for watching.